Welcome to our channel. Today, we're plunging into a world that's sweet, sticky, and full of surprises. Honey. Stay tuned as we unveil 40 astonishing facts about honey that will blow your mind.
Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey is made by bees using nectar from flowers. The average honeybee will produce only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Imagine how many bees it takes to fill a jar.
There are over 300 different kinds of honey in the world, each with its own unique flavor and color, depending on the flowers from which the bees collect nectar. The color and flavor of honey are influenced by the floral source. For instance, clover honey is light and mild, while buckwheat honey is dark and has a strong flavor. Honey has antibacterial properties, making it effective in preventing infections. It can be used to treat wounds and burns due to its ability to heal.
Honey is around 80% sugar and 20% water with trace amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This makes it not only delicious, but also a healthier alternative to table sugar.
Bees communicate with each other through a series of dances. The waggle dance helps other bees locate the flowers they've found rich in nectar for honeymaking.
There are approximately 20,000 species of bees, but just a few are responsible for producing most of the world's honey.
The ancient Greeks and Romans considered honey a gift from the gods. In fact, it's often referred to as nectar in mythology.
In Japan, there's a type of honey called hachimitsu that is gathered from trees instead of flowers. It's rare and highly prized.
Honey can help soothe a sore throat, suppress cough, and promote healing, making it a natural alternative to store-bought cough remedies.
Despite its sugary taste, honey is considered a low GI food, meaning it has a slower impact on blood sugar levels compared to refined sugars.
Honey is used in many cultures as part of traditional folk medicine, known for its healing effects and toxic-free properties.
The world's oldest known recipe is for a honey-based alcoholic beverage called mead, made over 4,000 years ago.
Fun fact: honey is hygroscopic, which means it attracts moisture from the air. That's why it can crystallize if not stored properly. Just heat it gently to return it to liquid form. Honey comes in a variety of forms, including liquid, creamed, and even flavored. Each offers a different taste experience.
In ancient Greece, honey was associated with physical and spiritual health. Athletes consumed it before competitions for energy and strength. The world's most expensive honey comes from New Zealand and is known as Manuka honey. Its unique properties make it one of the most sought-after types.
Hives can be incredibly productive. A single hive can produce up to 200 pounds of honey in a year.
Regional honey varieties are influenced by the native plants, which is why honey can taste so different from one location to another.
Honey may contain pollen, which can help boost your immunity and alleviate allergies if consumed regularly.
In ancient Roman times, honey was used as a form of currency and offered as gifts to important figures.
Myth or reality? Honey is supposedly called the elixir of life. It may promote longevity. Some studies suggest it can balance cholesterol and even support heart health.
Did you know that honey is a natural preserver? It has been used in foods to slow spoilage for centuries thanks to its low moisture content and high acidity.
Honey can enhance the absorption of calcium and magnesium, essential minerals crucial for health.
Honey's viscosity increases with lower temperatures. That's why it often thickens in the cold.
Not all honey is created equal. Raw honey is unprocessed and retains beneficial enzymes and nutrients, unlike processed honey which may be stripped of these qualities.
The sweetness of honey is attributed to fructose, which is sweeter than glucose, making honey a richer sweetener.
The process of making honey involves a chemical transformation. Bees flap their wings to create airflow to help evaporate the nectar. Honey is often paired with other ingredients. Adding it to tea or baking goods can enhance overall flavors. Did you know? Honey can be used in beauty treatments. It's a popular ingredient in skin masks for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties.
In many cultures, honey is seen as a romantic gift, symbolizing sweet and eternal love.
Many types of honey are rich in antioxidants, which help fight against harmful free radicals in the body.
The most incredible part? Research suggests that honey can actually never spoil and remain edible forever if kept sealed in the right conditions.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed and learned something new about honey. Make sure to like and subscribe for more sweet facts.